Hi everyone, welcome to a short video, and basically this video is just showing you how to make your Dyson smell a bit nicer when you're using it. And the only thing that you're going to need is some essential oils. So the first thing you want to do is take out this part of the hoover, release this little button here, and you're going to grab out your filter. This is actually a new filter, this is why it looks so clean. And then next what you're going to do, you're going to take your essential oils and you're going to basically just put a dab on each one. And turn it over. I'm just going to dab a little bit there on the spongy bit, and then you're going to slip that back in there, and then when you switch your hoover on, you will have a nice smelling hoover. Okay, thanks for watching.